Hello, and welcome back to Tim's Top 5. If you are new here, please consider subscribing and hitting the bell icon to get notified of my new videos. Today, I'm going to show you the top 5 home security systems that you can buy on Amazon right now. These systems are designed to protect your home from intruders, fire, flood, and other emergencies, and they are easy to install and use. Let's get started. The first system on our list is the SimpliSafe The Haven 1, which is our pick for the best home security system overall. This system comes with 14 pieces, including a base station, a keypad, a key fob, 4 entry sensors, 2 motion sensors, a panic button, a smoke detector, a temperature sensor, and a water sensor. You can also add cameras, smart locks, and other accessories to customize your system. The SimpliSafe The Haven is compatible with Alexa and Google Assistant, and it offers optional 24/7 professional monitoring for $14.99 per month. The system is easy to set up without any drilling or wiring, and it has a backup battery and cellular connection in case of power outage or internet failure. The SimpliSafe The Haven costs $239.99 on Amazon. The second system on our list is the Ring Alarm Pro 2, which is our pick for the best home security system with cameras. This system comes with 10 pieces, including a base station, a keypad, 4 contact sensors, 2 motion detectors, a range extender, and an indoor camera. You can also add outdoor cameras, floodlight cameras, video doorbells, and other accessories to expand your system. The Ring Alarm Pro is compatible with Alexa and works with Ring Protect Pro subscription for $10 per month, which gives you 24/7 professional monitoring, cellular backup, video recording and sharing, and extended warranty. The system is easy to install and connects to your existing Wi-Fi network or Ethernet cable. The Ring Alarm Pro costs $329.99 on Amazon. The third system on our list is the Google Nest Cam with Floodlight 3, which is our pick for the best home security system outdoor camera. This camera is designed to illuminate and record any activity outside your home, day or night. It has a 1080p HD video quality, a 130-degree field of view, a two-way audio feature, and a built-in siren. You can also use the Google Home app to control the camera settings, view live or recorded footage, and receive alerts on your phone. The Google Nest Cam with Floodlight requires a Nest Aware subscription for $6 or $12 per month, which gives you access to 30 or 60 days of video history, intelligent alerts, facial recognition, and activity zones. The camera is easy to mount and wire to an existing junction box or light fixture. The Google Nest Cam with Floodlight costs $279.99 on Amazon. The fourth system on our list is the Wyze Home Security Core Kit 4, which is a budget-friendly option for those who want a simple and reliable home security system. This kit comes with 4 pieces: a hub, a keypad, a motion sensor, and 2 entry sensors. You can also add cameras, smart plugs, smart bulbs, and other devices to integrate your system with the Wyze app. The Wyze Home Security Core Kit works with Alexa and Google Assistant, and it offers optional 24/7 professional monitoring for $4.99 per month. The system is easy to set up using the Wyze app and QR codes, and it has a battery backup and cellular backup in case of power outage or internet failure. The Wyze Home Security Core Kit costs $99.98 on Amazon. The fifth and final system on our list is the Eufy Security Camera System 5, which is another affordable option for those who want a wireless home security system with cameras. This system comes with 4 pieces, a base station and 3 wireless outdoor cameras. The cameras have a 1080p HD video quality, a 140-degree field of view, a night vision feature, and a two-way audio feature. You can also use the Eufy Security app to control the camera settings, view live or recorded footage, and receive alerts on your phone. The Eufy Security Camera System does not require any subscription or monthly fees, as it stores all the video data locally on the base station's 16 GB micro SD card. The system is easy to install without any drilling or wiring, as the cameras have a magnetic mount and a long-lasting battery life of up to 1 year. The Eufy Security Camera System costs $199.99 on Amazon. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this review of the top 5 home security systems that you can buy on Amazon right now. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more product reviews like this one. Also, Let me know in the comments below which home security system you liked the most or if you have any questions about them. Be sure to check out the links in the description to the best prices for all the items in the video. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.